What's the meaning of Bahasa Indonesia? Bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia.
Bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia is the official language of Indonesia, a country in Southeast Asia. It is also known as Indonesian and is spoken by over 240 million people worldwide. The language has its roots in Malay, which was spoken in the region for centuries and was heavily influenced by Dutch during Indonesia's colonial period. Bahasa Indonesia is written using the Latin alphabet and has a relatively simple grammar system. It is used in formal and informal settings, from government and business to daily conversation. Learning Bahasa Indonesia is essential for anyone who wants to fully immerse themselves in Indonesian culture or conduct business in the country.